Access the A3 dashboard menu. From the menu, click on Block Theme. Choose the DAT block theme and click Install. Don't forget to activate the theme after installation. You can check its status on the WordPress theme menu. You will see the DAT theme active. Now that the parent theme has been installed, it's time to download and activate the child theme. Visit the plugin documentation site, docs.a3rev.com. Find the plugin documentation on WordPress section. Click on the following link to download the zip file for the DAT block theme child theme or find it in the video description. Save the downloaded zip file to a location on your computer that you can easily find later. In your WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to Appearance, then Themes from the left-hand sidebar menu. Click on the Add New button at the top of the page. Click on the Upload Theme button. Select the Choose File button and browse to the location where you saved the child theme zip file in Step 1. Choose the child theme zip file and click Open. Click on the Install Now button to upload and install the child theme. Click on the Activate button to enable the child theme on your WordPress website. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and activated a blank child theme for your WordPress block theme. Now, you can confidently make customizations to your website without impacting the original files of the parent theme. Remember to regularly update and maintain the parent theme to ensure compatibility and enhance the security of your website.